Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, yesterday we got to see some big moves after the testimony of the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. You can see here dollar weakens as Powell's testimony offers little surprise. The dollar's languished near a one-month low against a basket of currencies on Thursday after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell stuck to his usual messaging at his semi-annual testimony, offering a little room for surprise. This is important because as a result of which we got to see some red candles on DXY and good number of green candles on EURUSD. Right now we can see that DXY is standing at the previous low here, the previous low of 102. If you look at the market structure, then market structure is obviously very much clear to us. The market is going down, forming lower lows and lower highs. This is the current structure. So if market continues the structure, then obviously at one point, especially by the European session, we will see DXY breaking 102 level and going down. And when it will try to recover, then the same level of 102 will be acting as the new resistance. So though DXY is trying to take support around this area, still there is a high chance, observing the present weakness on dollar, that it will break the level and go down. So let's wait and watch. But my dear friends, we need to focus on the economic calendar because we have a series of events that will bring will bring some good volatility to the market. So be careful during the news. Keep your one eye on the economic calendar because market will show extreme volatility. If you're a beginner, if you're a new trader, then try to close down all your US dollar positions because of extreme volatility. Your stop losses may not work after the news, so be careful. But if you're an experienced trader, that's your personal call. Now let's look at the chart of EURUSD. So euro dollar was out of the downward channel, okay, and also broke the previous high. In our previous videos we discussed about the EURUSD's possibility of breaking the previous high, because here also if we observe the structure, market structure, then we can see that market structure is higher highs and higher lows. So in this type of market structure or in this type of trending market, usually the resistances or the previous highs do not work, okay. But here we had a very important level, or still we have around 1.1000. 1.1000 is a very strong resistance on the chart of EURUSD because of previous price rejection around this area. Then we also discuss about the Fibonacci 78.6% retracement level. In addition to that, 1.1000 is a round number, so it's also a psychological resistance. But we cannot deny that fundamentally EURUSD is bullish right now. Though market is standing at a resistance is a technical thing, and fundamentally market is bullish. So if you have heard me saying many times that whenever there is a battle between fundamentals and technicals, fundamentals always win. So yes, there is a high chance that market will break the level of 1.1000 and will head higher. So what should be a trading strategy on EURUSD then? Okay, first of all, EURUSD is standing almost at a resistance right now, but we don't have much volatility. We don't have a clarity right now whether we will get to see a breakout or not, but we can see the market is trying to break. Try to understand the market emotion here. Market is standing at a resistance but not coming down. What does it mean? It means that the buyers in the market are not ready to surrender. And we have also looked at the chart of dollar. The dollar is weak. Dollar is struggling at the support. As a result of which, there is a high chance that market will break the resistance and go higher. If that happens, you can go for a buy position above 1.1005 or 1.1010 level as well. But during the day, if you see the market is coming down, especially by the European session, because in comparison to Asian session, we get to see good volatility in the European session. So by the European session, if you see that market is forming small red candles, okay, with proper risk management, you can also look for some selling opportunity. Okay, but do not look for a complete trend reversal, because chances of trend reversal on the chart of euro dollar is very less right now. Okay, but if you see the market is showing some sort of correction, then you can look for some selling by the European session, and there's a high chance that market will take support around 1.0970. Around 1.0970 market may come for retracement and market may bounce again. So if Euro USD, my dear friends, world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again. I conduct these workshops in both Hindi and English language. Separate classes are conducted for Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop. Yes, it's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. You can see here, these are the topics that you'll be learning in 3 days. In 1 month support, I also conduct extra 4 classes. So total 7 classes, and these are the topics for the weekly classes. Everything is mentioned on the website, but I would like to mention that this workshop is not for complete beginners and new traders. If you're struggling with the market, if you're unable to make money, then only you should sign up. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And there is also a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. You can see here 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program. Yes, the workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. After the 3 days class, you will receive all these benefits. And the best part is the fees. You can see here, it's only $15. $15 for everything, and rupees 1,000 for Indians. The dates are 5th, 6th and 7th of July for Hindi classes, and for English classes 8th, 9th and 10th. Separate dates, and I record each and every session so that even if you miss, you don't miss anything. Okay. And if you're looking for longer relationship, if you're looking for some personal classes, then you can also sign up for annual membership, semi-annual membership, okay, available at very affordable cost. If you're frustrated with your trading right now, if you're looking to scale up your game, then definitely you should join the Pro Trader program, or you can definitely check out the Pro Trader program and you won't be disappointed. Okay, so the link is in the description. Everything is mentioned on the website. Bye bye, take care. Now listen to me carefully. This may sound a little bit complicated if you're a beginner. If Euro USD comes down to this level 1.09700965 level, okay, and Euro USD goes up, bounces, then you can go for a buy at retracement. And if Euro USD bounces from this level here, high chance that it will break the level. Okay, if you are aware of how to avoid false breakouts, then probably you have understood my point. If not, then yes, time will teach you, or the market will teach you later. But yes, if market comes for retracement and bounces, then there's a good chance that it will break a resistance of 1.1000, and you can be on the trade as well. So right now, what should be your trading strategy then? Just observe the market. If you already have taken a sell position, be on the trade. But if you see that it is going up, then obviously exit at the right time. Okay, exit at the right time. Do not hold your loss. On the other hand, if Euro USD shows some correction by the European session, you can also take a sell, but do not expect a complete trend reversal. Try to be careful. Okay, and when Euro USD will bounce back from the retracement, you can also go for a buy as well. So be careful during the news. And I already have discussed on the video of gold that there's a high chance that market may not be very volatile today because of the news. Market prefers to stay silent before a news. News is coming up, so market may remain silent. So be careful. And as always said, do not gamble with your hard-earned money during the news. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. I'm also a trader like you. So please follow proper risk management. Do your research. Analyze the scenario properly, and then only take the trade. Do not trust anyone blind. Okay, bye bye, take care.